What is good, guys? Welcome back to Craig Margin. If this is your first time joining me, please make sure to go hit the subscribe button, like this video, and also don't forget to turn on your post notifications so that whenever we post again, you will be the first to view our videos. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for clicking specifically on this video as we are mourning Soldier Love, as we are still in pain. He's just left us. But anyway, I'm back specifically link ya Soldier Love a bit, but then anyway, let's get into the video. So I was on social media and then the Vandona post for Pazim celebs. So basically post iyo yanga ichitaura hanzi ameno muna post hanzi message something. So according to post anga ichitaura these specific people, I'm not gonna mention all of them, but then post iyo these specific people are gonna die in 2020. And the one that actually shocked me was Madam Boss. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave them because I'm watching the but then mukadzwi abva ati Madam Boss Tyra chapandema cause of death COVID-19 vaccination. So I think we all remember back the Madam Boss wachafa munana December chichi, and then babati the time traveler over kuna zvakadaro. So I mean, maybe it's linked, I don't know, but then that was those on your name kazu. Then so tell us what you think in my comments down below about, because my death my prophecies about Madam Boss akawandisa. I think tukuzona pa social media, but then the other post yanasangana naye, or the other nyaya yangandi nayo is on Passion Java. So Thomas Chijanje posted a post achitaura kuti hanzi this post hanzi so zvanga zvaitika ndezvekuti vanhu on social media vangava kuti Passion Java ndiye auraya chibaba because like ne kutamba kwa Ambrate achiti Madam Boss wafa chichichichi, because some people think kuti Passion Java aneta marriages in nanga, I don't know, but then he then posted kuti shodai aida kuuraya vanhu, dai akauraya Enzo pa akambo musiya, just thinking out loud. Okay, so tell us what you think. In now I can give a compliment or comment papapo, but then please tell us what you think about these accusations. And another story that we have is on Soldier Love. And Soldier Love has been officially declared a national hero. Yes, the post national hero. And izvizvabva kune mukuru idi the president of Zimbabwe Emmerson Mnangagwa ndiye azvitaura. And just an update on Soldier Love's burial. And the burial is going to take place Saturday kuswera mangwana at Warren Hills. I don't know specifically at what time, but then at Warren Hills. And also Passion Java said he is going to come namu kuno ku Zimbabwe kuzochema Soldier Love mwari wakamutendera. So just subscribe so that you stay tuned to Grey these updates kuti muzo chichikuitika nezve around Jesus. So tell us what you think. Don't forget to subscribe and also click the notification so that whenever we post, you will be the first to get notified. This will be on another video.